Good morning, friends. This is GV Shivakumar again. Thanks for the continuous support. Thanks for watching my videos. So, first thing, I'm not interested to prepare a video for getting like or appreciation. So, whatever I know, right? Actually, whatever data I collected, whatever I discussed with the industry specific specialist or educationist, I am posting the videos. So what I am getting actually, or many people are telling. So those who are completing engineering, they are not getting job, or engineers, or not engineers, engineering graduates are still actually, remain as unemployed, and even in many movies, right? Actually, they are calling studying engineering is waste. Anyhow, you are going to work as a Swiggy boy or a Uber delivery boy or call center person or some other thing actually. So the important problem here is actually most of the time actually 80 percentage problem is with the student. First thing, they never know which course or which branch of study they need to prefer, and I can say openly that they are not having any idea. So their friends are studying mechanical or choosing mechanical, then due to my friend or due to my uncle or due to my father or due to my relative suggestions, I have taken particular branch. So I really don't know actually which course of study I need to do. They never know. First thing, lack of planning and lack of ambition. So after 4 years down the line, 4 years, what is your ambition or what you need to become? So they never know. Actually, simply they are actually, by watching movies and everything, we need to be more. Live a peaceful life like a hero in the movie. So actually, they say normally actually in movies, right? Actually, the hero, actually is not a educated person, but actually within a single song, he will become a rich person. So like that, actually, life is also the real life also will become such a kind of thing. Like that, they are thinking because they are in the, I can say, just crossing the adolescent stage, and they never know what is the impact of, actually, I can say, improper education or lack of education or lack of ambition, what it will give you after 10 years. So these things actually they never plan. So lack of planning with the students. So after 12th standard, even 12th standard also science course or which course actually they never know due to the compulsion of the parents, right? Actually, you want to become a doctor, you want to become an engineer, and you want to study in overseas, MS, all these things actually. So they are just suggesting to take engineering or professional, any profession, doctor or it may MBBS, whatever it may be. Students never have any plan or ambition or anything. So due to the compulsion of parents or due to the society, so some students will think actually if we are not getting job, then it is a big problem, so we will study engineering or something, or without planning actually they are choosing some different thing actually which is not interested to them or which is not a exact course which will not meet their goal. Some students will have a plan and goal, but how to execute that they never know. These are the main reasons for the unemployment after you complete the engineering study. Second thing, so you studied actually engineering. You have chosen very good engineering studies, a computer science or EC based on your interest and everything. Say let us take actually you have taken particular branch of study based on your own interest, for example. But 99% of students never like that. So they are getting advice from many people, and after suggestion they are choosing the particular branch. So say for example, now in our case actually you are taking a particular branch based on your interest, but after getting into the college, they are totally getting diverted with many n number of factors. Okay, so towards different movies or actually they in schools actually they live a very regulated life, in the sense actually they are being monitored by the teachers and everybody and the parents, everybody. They will live like a kind of, they himself think like it is a jail life. But when coming into the college, the freedom they feel, and actually whatever they like, actually they can know. And actually actually due to travel and everything, actually parents are giving money to the students, to their son and daughter. So this will take them in a negative way, and many people actually going in a negative direction. See, in media and everything actually we are seeing, right? Drugs and everything and all these things, blah 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 things actually. So they're totally getting diverted from the education or studies. That is a second thing. Third thing, so actually they need to choose a proper college where whether the college is having proper facility or not. They are giving campus interview options or not, or the staffs are properly educated in engineering, or they just completed last year in fourth year in engineering and just joined engineering. So all these factors actually they need to study how good is college, how many campus interview are coming, or which branches are coming, which companies are coming, how much they are doing pay to the selected persons. So how soon they are getting the offer letters and everything. So this is the third factor. So study of college. And fourth thing, actually many students actually they are doing engineering course very well, and actually they are being selected in the campus interview. They did verbal, non-verbal, reasoning and everything, arithmetic, everything, and communication, everything, and even their engineering score is good. So 80 to 85% they are scoring. But and they got selected in the campus interview, and so they thought actually the company will call them as soon as possible actually when they are completing the course. So they are waiting for 3 months, 6 months, and even 1 year sometimes actually. Many of the companies are not releasing, because nowadays actually based on the needs only they are releasing offer, but they are just selecting the students in particular from the particular college in the campus interview, but they are not releasing the offer. These kind of problems also happen for many of them. So in that case immediately you need to search for some other job. Okay, so getting offer from the campus selected the company who is selecting the giving campus recruitment and everything, right? Whether they are calling you or not, giving call letter or not, offer letter or not, actually you need to start trying immediately. Sometimes actually you can get a good package compared to the company who provided a campus offer, right? Actually even in off campus you can get based on your merit and everything, even you can get a good big company, say for 4 to 5 lakhs better than your campus recruited company. In that sense actually you need to immediately fall into action. You need to try outside. If you are not getting any call from the company which is selected you, provided, they promise to release the offer through campus interview. So students are normally waiting for that. They should be better. Actually you can wait for some 3 months, that is better. In the meantime you need to upgrade yourself. Actually you need to upgrade in your area of study. Say if you are doing computer science and engineering, then start studying some courses, right? That is important. You need to upgrade yourself through internet and everything. And so lack of upgrading the knowledge, that is also one among the things, because many students I'm seeing actually they are not having plan during the college study, parallelly searching in net and doing self-study or virtual e-learning is very difficult. They are not having plan, and also they are not known to the exact industry requirement and everything. But once you come, you can in other way, actually instead of doing self-study you can go and during your engineering study itself you can start doing parallelly the courses, right? Actually say any software courses or anything which is related to your engineering study. So you need to upgrade yourself. Through that you can enrich your knowledge. That is one thing. So some students actually even after completing, actually they are waiting for the proper job and everything. So still they are not getting. In that sense you need to immediately spend money to the on some courses, and enrich yourself and try to be prepared for getting a job or attending the interview and everything. So this is very important. Many people thinking we have already, actually make father to give more shine during the engineering fair studies and everything, cost and everything. Why we need to make them, by giving problem actually by spending fund for some other courses, again after engineering. So this is not a correct thing. If you want to get into the some good job, you need to invest on that. At least actually say you need to invest actually some minimum amount to enrich yourself and get knowledge in a particular area, on job training and everything they are providing, right? So engineering study, when actually normally, right, actually they are, some students are more concentrating on engineering studies, but they are not enriching themselves, meaning in the sense what is the current technology they need to in the area of engineering study they need to enrich in them. Say for if instrumentation means actually they need to go for PLC, SCADA, DCS kind of training, outside training. So actually they need to know the exact job oriented training, not rather than theory, right? Theory won't give you anything. It's just an introduction. Say engineering will help you to get a job for 10%, but other than that you need to enrich yourself. That is more important. Okay, that is one thing. And also, right, actually say many other engineering graduates, mechanical, electrical, ECE, chemical engineers, actually after completing without getting a job, they are directly coming to IT. So they are preferring IT. Reason is actually in IT you need some minimum technical knowledge, and then actually we need just arithmetical or reasoning or verbal reasoning, English language. This will help you to get a job in the IT. So you can easily get a job in IT, and you can climb the ladders. But in other engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics, you need to study more in your area of study. So lack of knowledge is also one of the factors which make the graduates or engineering graduates unemployed, giving unemployment, because they are unable to face the questions or interview questions or written questions, right? Many of the guys are doing like that because during the engineering they never know the pain of the the unemployment and everything. They are just simply playing with their friends and everybody and wasting the time. So they need to properly utilize this time. Okay, that is one thing. And I already told 80% is with the students. I told, right? I told all these reasons. Actually, lack of knowledge or upskilling their knowledge, and fail to upskilling the knowledge. So these are the main 80% with the students, and remaining 20% with the college in the sense actually the college actually management, they are not properly recruiting the teaching staffs, because actually those those who completed engineering last year will be appointed as a lecturer in the same college. So then we cannot expect a good knowledge or good reputed teachers or knowledgeable staff in the teaching field in the self-financing colleges. In case of government colleges, okay, actually they are looking for suitable candidates having completed PhD and everything. Then only they are after taking exams and everything, they are they have been elected, selected as a teaching staffs in government college. But in case of self-financing colleges, due to necessity actually to take more students and to bring the teaching staffs, they are recruiting the teaching staff at very low cost. So if very low with very low salary, no person is willing to work or continue in that. So whatever is salary for that, actually he will work for based on the salary, and immediately when he is getting a job, actually then he will switch over that. So there nobody interested in knowing that teaching and everything. See, normally engineering college will engineering students right, actually if they are not getting job, they will either prefer teaching profession, or say some other profession, say IT profession, or say kind of actually startup kind of thing, or say for example kind of actually call centers, KPOs, IPOs kind of KPO company or BPO companies. Those kind of things actually they will join, and they will lose their ambition, goal, and what field they need to or what stage they need to reach, they will totally forget, and they are in BPO and KPO, they are getting more money, right? Actually, so they are more attracted towards that, and without ambition, they started working continuously working on KPOs and BPOs. That is also one of the biggest factor of not getting a good job in the engineering field. So, and then actually the lack of proper teaching staff, knowledgeable staff, that is one in private self-financing colleges. And second thing, actually, lack of facility. The lab facility and say proper demos or lab is not properly constructed. Lack of learning labs or lack of teaching. So these are the important things because do not take wrongly. Actually, many of the colleges actually they are concentrating on generating the revenue from the students by joining more students. And actually, in some colleges, actually they will ask. They will appoint a broker, a student as a broker, and he will bring his friends to the for engineering study from his own village or from his own part of the area, and they are getting some fund or money from the college management by making his friends or ladies friends actually to study in engineering, to make them to join in engineering colleges and everything, so thereby getting brokerage money. So these are the things actually say nowadays also students actually want to know like more interested on they are getting diverted by these lavish expenses and everything, movies, malls, and just by riding a bicycle, riding a car, and also this unwanted things. I don't want to explain now in detail. So they are totally diverted out of this education area, and they are concentrating on unwanted things. Okay, so these are also the reasons actually. And when after completion actually when they are not feeling or when they are not getting any job, they feel the pain of unemployment. So there actually at that time nobody can help you. It is again luck where you are getting a job, good job or not. Actually it depends, because nowadays competition is becoming very tough actually. So actually and also in India like countries actually we have many self-financing companies, colleges, and so actually every college is actually sending thousands of engineering graduates. In a nutshell, overall per year in India, so per annum in India, nearly for more than 5 lakhs engineering graduates are coming passed out, and then actually they are searching for the jobs, and very few people in thousands only getting proper employment. Okay, and many people are going in some other jobs, and some people they without they are more choosy and they are waiting for the job to get to get a good job based on the interest, area of study and everything. So so you need to upskill yourself, plan, execute accordingly and everything. So even in your mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, chemical, you need to upskill and you need to study on the whatever the software related part related to mechanical, say mechanical mechatronics, then design CAD, CAM, CATIA, Pro-E, all these things. And in civil engineering means actually we have actually civil engineering drawings, that is a civil planning, civil construction, civil administrations, and whatever new actually trends in the design field, they need to study that. So like software oriented, with core engineering plus software related. So chemical means actually there are a lot of chemical related softwares are there. I'm not sure in that. So analysis and research and analysis, there are a lot of softwares are there in chemical. And I already know actually in instrumentation you have DCS, PLC, control systems, and then SCADA, a lot of automations are there, VLSI there, then embedded systems. So combination of hardware, microprocessors and softwares, that is, and then we have math lab is there for designing electrical circuits or electronic circuits. So lot of civil engineering drawings related diagrams are there, architectural diagrams are there prepared by the softwares. So you need to study those areas and upskill yourself. You need to face your you need to prepare well and face the interviews. That is more important. Then you will get a job. You need to show them, out of 1,000 people, you are you are very unique. I mean, like that. I mean, on seeing you, you need to show them that you are unique. So then that makes you to that makes them to select in the interview. So you need to create that kind of mentality or a situation or environment before the interviewer. And these are the positive aptitude is also one important thing. So you need to be more positive. Don't lose your mindset if you're not getting job, or if you're unemployed. Don't lose your positive thought. Always study and improve yourself, educate yourself, enrich yourself, develop yourself, and always stay positive and get a good job. So I have explained about the positive and negative side of engineering. So what students doing a lot of mistakes when after completing engineering studies, they are not having proper planning, execution, or they are not having proper guidance, which makes them to fall in the group of unemployment. So try to develop yourself and get a good job. Do not leave the hard work. Always do hard work and try yourself. Be positive. Again I am saying. So thanks for watching my videos. This is GV Shivkumar signing off.